Nothing recently launched the Phone 2a Plus, a new smartphone that looks and feels similar to the Phone 2a. While both devices have a similar design language, Nothing has introduced some under-the-hood changes that make the Phone 2a Plus slightly better than its predecessor. Confused between the Nothing Phone 2a and the Nothing Phone 2a Plus? Here's a quick comparison that will help you decide if the Plus is worth the extra price. The Nothing Phone 2a and the Nothing Phone 2a Plus have the same design and look the same. However, one area where these two phones differ is colors. Both devices have the same 6.7-inch 120Hz flexible AMOLED screen with a typical brightness of 700 nits. Both phones come with Android 14-based Nothing OS right out of the box, and we'll get to see Android 17. The Nothing Phone 2a is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, whereas the newer Nothing Phone 2a Plus features the Dimensity 7350 Pro chipset. Nothing claims a 10% performance boost with the Phone 2a Plus over the Phone 2a with this configuration. Both the Nothing phone have the same rear camera setup, 50-megapixel primary camera, and 50-megapixel ultra-wide, but the newly launched phone comes with a 50MP selfie shooter, which is a clear upgrade over the Nothing Phone 2a's 32MP front camera. Both have a 5000 mAh battery, but the Nothing Phone 2a Plus supports 50-watt charging, but Phone 2a offers 45-watt fast charging support. The Nothing Phone 2a Plus does not feature major upgrades. The Nothing Phone 2a Plus does offer a few improvements over the 2a, like a better front camera. New processor is fine, but it doesn't feel like a game changer for everyday use. If wants a saving money Phone 2a, it's still an excellent phone. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.